Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
This guide shows 3 ways to play movies from phone to Panasonic TV. Prepare your phone, the TV, cables, and the Wi-Fi network before you begin. Check the TV model label and confirm supported inputs like HDMI and USB. Update TV firmware and phone OS to improve compatibility and playback stability. Choose HDMI, wireless casting, or DLNA depending on convenience and quality. Gather an HDMI cable, Chromecast, or ensure both devices use the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Use HDMI for highest quality when your TV supports 1080p or 4K output. Start wired by locating an available HDMI input on the Panasonic TV and labeling it. Connect an HDMI cable from your phone adapter or dock to that HDMI port. If your phone supports MHL, use a compatible MHL adapter and a powered USB supply. Select the corresponding HDMI input on the TV with the remote to display the phone screen. Adjust phone output settings to mirror or extend the screen and set resolution to 1080p. Troubleshoot by trying another HDMI cable, rebooting devices, or checking the TV input settings. Wireless casting works via Chromecast, Miracast, or Panasonic Smart Viera built-in app. Open the phone casting menu, choose Cast or Smart View, and select the Chromecast or TV. For Miracast, enable screen mirroring on the TV and use phone quick settings to connect. Ensure both devices are on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for smoother 1080p playback performance. If casting fails, reboot phone, restart the TV, and reconnect to Wi-Fi before retrying the cast. Use a short 6-foot HDMI cable for wired setups to minimize signal loss and clutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.